Hello everyone! Today we are going to play a game. Let me give you an example first. Can you guess the name of the food? A cake, that's right. Are you ready? Round 1. What is this? An apple, correct. Apples are a sweet and crunchy fruit. That is a good source of fiber and vitamin C. What is this? A banana, very good. Bananas are a soft and sweet fruit. That is a good source of potassium and vitamin B6. What is this? A carrot. Excellent! Carrots are a crunchy, orange vegetable that is a good source of vitamin A. What is this? An egg, exactly. Eggs are a nutritious source of protein. Can you tell me what is this? It's a donut. That is correct. Donuts are a sweet and fried pastry that is often coated in sugar, glaze, or frosting. Round 2. What is this? A burger, very good. Burgers are a type of sandwich that is made with a ground beef patty, lettuce, tomato, onion, and ketchup. Can you tell me what is this? Ice cream, excellent. Ice cream is a cold and creamy treat that is made with milk, sugar, and cream. What is this? Cheese, that is correct. Cheese is a solid food that is made from milk. Okay, let's see the next one. Can you tell me what is this? A pizza, very good. Pizza is a flatbread that is covered with tomato sauce and cheese. What is this? A strawberry, excellent. Strawberries are a sweet and red fruit that is often eaten fresh or used in desserts or smoothies. Now we move to the round 3. What is this? A fish, that is correct. Fish is a healthy source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Can you tell me what is this? It is a grape. Very good. Grapes are sweet and juicy fruit that is often eaten fresh or used in juice. What is this? Honey. Excellent. Honey is a sweet and sticky liquid that is produced by bees. Can you tell me what is this? A lemon. That is correct. Lemons are a sour citrus fruit that is often used in foods and drinks. For the last one, can you tell me what is this? Chocolate. Very good. Chocolate is a sweet and delicious food that is made from the cocoa bean. I hope you enjoy this fun game of ABC Food Quiz. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more educational and entertaining videos. Thank you.